What do you think, David? Do you like this new look?
It's amazing. Stand like that, yeah, some kind of space for them. It's really cool.
So Rachel, tell us what you were doing.
I'm dyeing the underlayers of my hair red. Last year I did purple. This time shake it up a bit.
Oh, getting serious. I'm pretty sure purple is more serious than red. And can you show us what you've done to your hair right now?
Oh, I've sectioned it off.
Sectioned it.
Sectioned it into a little bun on my head.
What have you done so far? You mixed up the...
I have mixed up the developing cream and the colourant into this thing and shake it all up.
Nice.
I've done.
You've dyed.
I've dyed.
Good.
Keep squeaking. Don't know why. I have to let this sit for half an hour now. So this is the finished result and I'm really pleased with it. I really like it, I'm really happy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Not too boring. I know I've been away a bit and stuff, but I will explain that all in my next video, which I'll be uploading next week, explaining what the hell is going on. Bye. See you next week. Have a good life.